Hello everyone. So this is the quick tutorial for how to get some followers on Instagram. So this is my very first video and I found this cool tool called Slack version 1.0. So what you're gonna do is copy the link from the GitHub and we're gonna clone this link. So here I am using Parrot OS, or you can use any distribution of Linux. And we go back to the terminal and we paste it there. So hit enter, but as you can see I already have the file, so if you guys don't have it, it will install it for you. So let's get started. So basically we're gonna find the directory. So here we list out the directory and we can see the in Slack here. So we're gonna do cd in Slack and we hit enter. So we are inside there. So here we can see some file that I already created. So we need this particular file, which is the main file, but you can see I already did some experiments before I did this video. So to run this we do bash in slack .sh. Oh, it should be sh. Okay, .sh. Hit enter. So it will open the program for us. In the program, the instruction is pretty basic and very straightforward. So we're gonna use some of the options here. You can take a look and explore around, but we are interested in particularly increase followers, which is 2. So here is my Instagram ID and we already have the password, so we're gonna use the cookies from before. So here you can see it is saying something like using the same credential, which is from my last session that I did. So basically how it's gonna work is like this particular program will try to follow just random people on the Instagram, which you can see here I have 25 followers. So if I reload it, you can see 46 now. So it's following some random people on the internet and just giving us the feedback if it is successful or not. So as you can see, oh, maybe it's not doing something, maybe because I have 2 sessions running. Let's see, let's try again. Okay, it's successful. No, maybe it's because I'm running 2 sessions. Maybe we go back and close this one. So it's sleeping right now. It follow are almost like 12. So let's reload now. Oh no, still the same. I think I need to close it. Okay, Control C. So close this session and get back to this one. So let's see. Oh, okay, now it's running. Now it's 45 followers, followings. So let's see. Okay, let's make this a bit easier. And here we are seeing it's doing its thing, and let's wait for a while and see how this thing is going to do. So the theory here is like if you leave it like for 1 hour, it will be able to at least follow like maybe like 100 people. So if 100 people is being followed, then at least 20 of them will follow back. And the cool thing about this particular program is not only this program follows, but it will unfollow the same exact user as well. So later you can see after it randomly follow people, it will sleep for a while, then it will start to unfollow again. So let's speed up this process. It's gonna take a bit of while. So here you can see it's sleeping for 60 seconds, and after that we will see it's running anytime soon. let's see. Okay, 60 second. I think this time is a bit short because Instagram will be able to track how many times you have followed and unfollowed, and based on your activity it can block you. So I think 60 seconds is not enough, but whatever. Let's just move on. mm, anytime soon, no. mm, there we go. So it is trying to all follow the same user as before. As you can see, this one is like the first user is being unfollowed now. So yeah, it is successfully unfollowed. So as we can see now, the followings will go down. See, 44 now, 26 followers. There's a new one here also. So with this technique, I mean, it's not really like a big deal. As you can see, many people have followed already, and it's between 15 minutes. If you guys really want to have some followers on the internet, I suggest you guys use this in Slack, and it might help you to get some followers if you really want followers. So it's working pretty well. I started up this page with only 12 followers. Now I have around 26. So I'm doing interval in between like 2 or 3 hours, and as you can see, people are starting to follow. So 41 followers. So it's not started to decrease, as you can see. So after this is all done, we will go back to our normal followers. So let's speed up this process. As you can see, following, unfollowing, 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 and at the end of the day we will unfollow all of them. So then this is the last one, and you will go back to sleep, and we will stop the process right here. Control C here. Done. These are all the people that we unfollowed and followed a while earlier. So Control C here, and as you can see here, we are back to our normal following, which is 23. And we got 26 followers. So that's a quick tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope this tutorial will teach you something and it's helpful. Peace.